Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Did you notice anything? Yes, it's about my hair. Today I will show you how I achieve this smooth, voluminous look in a quick and easy way using my favorite tool. So let's get started. Yes, this is the tool I'm talking about, which I recently purchased. I'm using this tool to straighten my hair today, but you can use this hair volumizer for different types of hair styling as well. So as you can see, the product packaging is like this. Inside you can notice that it's divided into two parts, which is really helpful. When you want, you can separate it, making it super travel friendly. My hair was about 85% dry. First of all, I'm going to apply some hair serum to protect my hair from the heat. I also want to mention that this volumizer has a cooling system built in. So if you prefer a gentler approach, no heat, just drying, you can use that. So as you can see, I have attached the two parts using the lock and arrow signs. It has three heat levels, a cooling options and an off setting. When you turn it on, you will hear a light fan sound. Now here you can see the difference clearly. Next time I will come back with a different hairstyle inshallah. Until then, take care everyone. Allah Hafiz.